Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on Tutorials Point. In today's video, I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can share your Instagram on TikTok. Before you start the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Without further ado, let's move on to the video. First of all, make sure that you're connected to the internet and then open up the TikTok app on your device. After the TikTok app opens up on your device, make sure that you're logged in and then click on the profile option on the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you're on your profile, simply click on this edit profile option on the middle of your screen, which will guide you to this page. Now on this page, on the bottom of your screen, you'll see the social tab. Now on the social tab, click on this add Instagram to your profile option. Wait for it to load. After you click on the add Instagram to your profile option, you'll be guided to this sign in page. Now fill in your credentials. After you log into your Instagram through that page, you'll be guided to this page. On this page, simply click on this allow button. Wait for it to load again. After you complete those steps, your Instagram will be linked or shared to your TikTok profile. So if you go back and check on your TikTok profile, the Instagram logo will be shown there, and if someone clicks on it, they will be guided to your Instagram profile. I hope this video helped you to share your Instagram on TikTok. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Thank you for watching.